आराम से just make here one ear. See, this is line, no? In this line, here you could make one eyes, and here is one eyes. Okay. Sorry, ear. Sorry, ear. The eyes line. I want to say this eyes line. You are making one ear and two ear. Okay. Here, done. Dishani, beta, done. Shambhavi, done, beta. Okay. Very nice, Shambhavi. Shambhavi. Okay, okay, keep silence. Now, very clear concept. Just circle and make a character. Okay, we are making two character and one color and one character with scenery. Okay, so now I do here like this. This is a 6. Draw the 9. 9. Yeah, this is like 9. That's like a 9, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make it 9 and do like this. Okay? This is a baby. Yes. This is baby. Okay? Yeah, you can erase eyes line and nose line. Okay, आराम से. And now here I make it the eyebrow. 1, 2. Make eyebrow. I wait, beta. Yeah. Mr. Soma, join here, Mr. Soma. No need to outline that. Done, beta? Okay, fine. Okay. Fine. Now, one thing. Now just do one thing. This is very 1, 2. Okay. And here I draw one belt like this. 3, 4. Like this. Okay. First 1. Yeah, I wait. आराम से make it. If any confusions, I show you again. Okay. Yes, babies hate always eat.
It is like a big head cartoon.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Very good. Wow, that is good. That is really awesome. If you finish, I go ahead the next.
Will we color this?
No, we are not coloring. We are first doing some sketching after the color. Okay.